Hi, my name is Abhishek and welcome to fresh new episode of 5 Minutes Tech Guru. Today we are going to do the part 2 of the education series where we discuss and talk about all the amazing game-changing tech in the education domain which is shaping a better tomorrow. So in today's series we are going to talk about, give me 1 second, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Yeah, this is Abhishek. Oh, hi. Yes, I applied. Yeah, all right. So my interview is on Monday. Yeah, I'll make sure that I join the meeting a couple of minutes before 11. Okay? Yeah, I'm super excited for this and thank you so much for this opportunity. You have a good weekend. Yeah, thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now. Alright guys, so this has been an amazing opportunity. I applied for a job position and I have been waiting since few weeks to get a response and I got an interview call for Monday. Woohoo! So guys, today being Saturday and tomorrow being Sunday, I have 2 days to prepare for my job interview on Monday, which is of course a programming interview and written test. So how do I make sure that I'm able to prepare well for everything I've mentioned on my resume, my software skills and other job related activities? So also I do not want to spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos on any other platform, and I want to also make sure that I get access to any resource or website which gives me the best tips and advice or best design principles when I'm talking about my skills. How do I do that? Okay guys, so let's do one thing. Let's dedicate today's episode on just one website which is going to revolutionize the way you prepare for your interviews. So if you're into software design, software programming, any sort of technical job, this website is going to be the revolutionary website for you. This is a single place of resource where all of the various content designers, developers, coaches and gurus and mentors come together. They create different contents on it and they share it freely with the world. So I've just loaded the homepage of that website and the name of the website is www.github.com. Some of you may know that GitHub was primarily designed for version control and collaborative coding projects. This could look like that this is not an ideal platform for studying or preparing for interviews or exams, but GitHub is actually an exceptional, excellent and a valuable supplementary tool for studying. I have done my research on GitHub, all the content available on GitHub, and actually been able to broadly classify the content into 6 different categories, which are official documentation, awesome lists, side projects and experimental code, historical code and software, research papers and academic resources, and community projects and initiatives. So GitHub is an excellent resource or excellent repository for storing official documentation. A lot of companies, organizations, communities and developers store the official documentation of the libraries, APIs, frameworks or other technologies on GitHub. You can use one of the keywords which is on the screen now to search for official documentation for anything specific to your use case. On the home page, type official and press enter. So what you get is a set of 3000 results where the first topmost hit result is Raspberry Pi documentation, and then if you scroll down you will see Microsoft Docs, PowerShell Docs documentation. So GitHub is actually maintained by a lot of awesome developers, content creators, gurus, mentors and experienced programmers just like you, me and other people. So these gurus or mentors create something called awesome list or curated list, and these lists are available freely on GitHub. So we'll head over to the home page again. Here we will type recommended libraries. Press enter and here are a list of search results like 775, and we see we have TensorFlow recommenders and we have a Python library for implementing a recommender system. Similarly, we can look for other recommended libraries by using the keywords on the screen. So whenever I am working on something like project, coding project or a design project, I often stumble upon that how do I get unique ideas? How do I find the best way to do something? Now this is the main criteria for having this third category called side projects and experimental code. You can use one of the keywords available on the screen now to search for all of the side projects and experimental code available on GitHub. So example, if you want to look for code experiments or developer playground, I'll just search and I see it's personal code scripts and config files for experiments. This is good. A repository to capture simple code experiments. These are different types of experiments performed by the programmers, the novices, the amateurs, the professional programmers, the designers, the coders, keywords, and it is going to give you extreme value just out of looking at the code. Sometimes during a professional or personal journey in life, we want to really understand how something evolved. So for that, we want to look at the historical code or legacy software. This is the fourth category. So some of the keywords which you can use to look at the legacy code or historical code is available on the screen now. I'll just type legacy project, and the search results gave me around 2165 repository results. And here I see Microsoft Translator. This is Microsoft Document Translator, which is archived. If you're really understanding the development or the evolution of some technology, how it evolved, you can use one of the keywords on the screen. One of the question arises is, can I use GitHub for doing research or looking for academic resources? Yes, you can. So you can use one of the keywords on the screen now to look for research papers and academic resources in any area. For example, if I'm looking for a research paper in machine learning or just a list of academic resources, and in the search bar I'll type machine learning research, press enter. So I'm getting some 4100 repository results. One of the repository results and a curated list of research in machine learning systems. Paper notes are also provided. So if I click on this, the creator of this repository has actually brought in all of the conferences, the workshops, the surveys, the books and videos for machine learning, and even some courses. So we live in the age of high-speed internet and social community. Now there are so many different community projects and initiatives happening right now, and all of these different community projects are being run by people from different cultures, different countries, different communities, different race, background, religion, language, and they all come together on GitHub to build this unique solution. You can use one of the keywords listed on the screen now to search for all such amazing community projects and initiatives being developed by people all across the globe. So let's head to the homepage of GitHub once again and search for community projects. We see that there are over 13,000 repository results. There are so many community projects available on GitHub right now that you can leverage the power of these keywords and search for an initiative or community project right suitable for you. Oh my God, what an amazing way to search for information on GitHub. So this brings us to the end of part 2 of the education series, and I hope you enjoyed this part of the episode. If you really like the way I am presenting my content and all the research and the analysis I am doing for preparing these videos, please click on the like button and also click on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing in the education series part 3 and part 4 in the coming weeks, and I'm excited for how you are going to discover the way to learn, prepare and study with this new tool called GitHub in your lives. Thank you so much, and now I should get back to preparing my interview using the skills I found right now. Thank you so much guys. This is Abhishek signing off, and I'll see you next time.